guess?
Whichever. You
What
start
should
off
I-
with the right. So you want to see along the lane, the side of the car, but definitely you want to see the back door handle.
Okay. Where should the back door handle be?
Right about here, so like about
Okay.
that area approximately.
So, there we go.
The idea is to be able to see any cars in the lane next to you.
Right. So it's right now. It's like right at the objects in mirror, right at the letters. Does
That
look
looks good. That looks good. So this convex mirror here, I put the convex mirrors on myself.
Oh.
They're really helpful. That one
Yeah.
there reduces your left blind spot a little bit.
Yeah.
This one helps you to pull up to a curb without bumping into it. You can see the
Yeah,
curb and
right.
all that, right?
That's nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. But when you're checking your blinds, while you're doing lane changes, whatever, you still have to check that left blind spot, right blind spot sort of thing. And then you just want to grab the mirror. Oh yeah, you're going to do the left one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what should this one look like?
Yeah, same thing. You want to get the back door handle right in that same spot there. Just so you don't lose sight of the car, basically. You want to see a little bit of a sliver.
You know, like the lines. You should be able to see those or no?
Which lines?
Like when we're driving like on a road, like a real road, like the.
Oh.
Whatever they're called.
Yeah, not necessarily. Well, in some cases, yeah. And I'll point that out to you. Actually, it's when you're getting into a double left turning lane to turn left at a light, you should be able to see that white line.
Like
in
right
your
now, I
mirror.
can see, if I'm just looking over, I can see like pretty much the whole car. I can see the door handle. I can see my
Back door
stairs,
handle.
and I can see like almost the ground under the tire.
Yeah, that's perfect.
all right?
That
Okay.
sounds good. Yeah, and then once you start driving, you'll see you might have to make a few adjustments
Yeah.
if you need to.
Okay. And then this one, same idea. You said.
Yeah.
I think that's all right.
Okay. And then you just want to grab the mirror here without touching the glass and just frame the back window like it's a picture. And you should
That's
be able
good.
to just
Right
kind of glance in your mirrors without having to stretch, kind of thing. And you should be able to see a back headrest here and a
Yeah.
back headrest
Yeah,
there.
I can see both of those. I can see a
Okay.
bit of my hair. Is that bad? Or?
Yeah, no, that's good. Actually,
Good?
maybe the right ear or something, a little bit of
Yeah.
your side of your head. That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we'll put our seat belts on and I'll show you the rest here.
Sure. Yeah.
So-
I didn't drive too much with my mom.
No problem.
All right.
You got no bad habits then. No problem.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to show you a few of the gauges here. The primary controls are your steering wheel, your gas, and your brake. Everything else are secondary controls and gauges.
So my
Yeah.
steering wheel, my gas, and my brake. Primary.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.